Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when browsing the internet and it comes across a net error, certificate authority, invalid error. Typically, this means occurs when a browser is unable. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear the browser cache and cookies. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser. And dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung delete browsing data, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na control plus shift plus delete. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And pop up itong delete browsing data. So ang next step, so may dalawang option dito na basic and then yung advanced. So, i-select mo lang dito yung basic and then yung time range. So, select mo lang dito kung last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or yung all the time. So, click mo lang yan. And then, next step ay kailangan mo lang i-check tong browsing history, cookies and other site data, and then yung cache, images, and files. And then, dito lang sa baba, mga kaibigan, makikita mo dito yung delete data. So, i-click mo lang yan. And wait natin na ma-complete yung process. Alright, so after dito and other solutions na pwede natin gawin. So same dito sa Google Chrome browser. And then next step, so dito lang sa upper right side ay click mo lang ulit dito yung tatlong dot. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung extensions. And then i-click mo lang dito yung manage extensions. And then dito mga kaibigan, ang gagawin natin ay kailangan lang i-turn off tong ating extensions mga kaibigan. So all extensions ay kailangan mo lang i-turn off. Okay, so once naka-enable siya, so turn off mo lang tong kanyang button. Alright, so after dito, so in other solutions we will do is to update the browser. Alright, so open up again on a Chrome browser. And dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung tatlong dot. And next step, so scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung help. And then i-click mo lang dito yung about Google Chrome to update immediately. So i-click mo lang yan. And makikita mo dito sa about Chrome and updating Chrome. So wait natin na ma-complete yung updating niya. Alright, so finally updating complete, so we need to relaunch. Alright, so click mo lang dito yung relaunch. And the last solutions we will do is open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So type this command keyword ipconfig all small letter and then //DNS, that is one word, and press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type, so enter mo lang yung command keyword na NATSS space wensack space reset. Alright, so in all small letter, and type mo lang yung NATSS space wensack space reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully reset the wensack catalog. And then you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix net Err Cert Authority Invalid Error in Web Browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.